What's up, YouTube? Back at you guys with another video. This morning I'm getting ready to take my truck over to the collision shop to see about getting my estimate. I gotta get the estimate first, and then I'm thinking about doing the paintless dent removal, the PDR. There's a company here locally, they got pretty good reviews, but I gotta get the estimate first. So we're gonna run over to a shop that worked on my Corvette, my C7, and we'll get that estimate and try to get the ball rolling on this thing so it don't slow my summer down too much, man. It's crazy. But anyways, we'll be up there in a minute. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that post notification bell. That way you don't miss any videos. We'll see you right after this intro. Peace.
You know I came through. You know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. Nowadays, I cannot lay low. I cannot lay low, yeah. I cannot lay low. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the hot shit. Talk of the town, I'm the top it. This young is so fly like a cockpit. If I ain't the party, it's not lit. Stop all the talking, I'm popping. But to be honest, this shit is not shocking. I wanna be rich at the moment.
Alright guys, now we got that out the way. It looks like I beat everybody here. That was the plan, to be here first before everybody in this little town shows up to try to get their car fixed, their truck or whatever. So yeah guys, I'm gonna grab my estimate real quick and see what it looks like. I'm thinking it's gonna be about $6 grand. So hopefully at least one person is in here in the office. All right, let me check it out, guys. All right, I just got the paperwork done. They're getting ready to come out here and look at the truck. And then some people don't like being on camera, so I'll see if I can turn the camera on while we get the estimate. I wiped the hood off a little bit so we can see a little better, and you can from right here. Anyways, hopefully it don't take long. I hope it's about a week, because I use this truck daily, and also, I mean, this is my primary work truck, so I need it. As soon as I talked to the insurance, I told them you guys. But I did talk to, I guess, your buddy down the street, the Planet or whatever. Because I really don't want to paint it. If y'all can just get them out.
It's better if we don't paint it.
Yeah, because that's pearl.
If we have to, then we will.
Yeah.
Because sometimes it breaks the paint. Like on the, you have some up here?
Yeah.
So like that. It's not too bad.
Yeah.
But if it's got one that's real sharp on the edge.
Right. Yeah. That's a few up there.
So, I mean, we got a hotel team coming in town. So as soon as you want it.
Okay.
You're our first one, so.
I want it to be first. That's why I hurry up and got here. Yeah.
So you leave it. They're on the way already.
Are they?
They're gonna set up right here.
Okay.
So as soon as they start getting cars,
So can I bring it back today? I'll go ahead and leave
I already have everything from State Farm. So
okay, cool. That'll work. Thank you, sir. We'll see you. I might bring the other ones by here.
Okay.
All right. Got that done. I'm gonna go ahead and drop it off because I want to get it fixed as soon as I can, and I got here before everybody else got here, so we should get it knocked out pretty quick, guys. Anyways, I'll keep y'all updated. We'll probably do a video when we pick it up. I don't know. I might turn it back on when I drop it off, just in case they say something different, or like the hell team finds something else. I'll keep y'all updated. I'm sorry, it's dark. Lighten up, camera, lighten up. But anyways, like I was saying, I might turn y'all back on when the hell team gets here. It looks like another storm is coming. Let me show y'all real quick. Super dark over there. But yeah, it hit us pretty good around here. So, all right, better get to work. See y'all in a little while. Okay, so I'm back, getting ready to drop the truck off. And if they give me any kind of update or like a time frame, I'll let y'all know. It's already raining again, and they said it's supposed to hail again. So I don't know. It's just been crazy weather. But yeah, I'll give y'all an update and see what they say. Alright guys, they're gonna start on it. I don't have an exact date, finish date or anything like that yet, but y'all already know the routine. We'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.